Okay, quick Friday morning radar update. So XBD has got a little bit of an update this morning. So that one's going well for us. It's going a lot better for those who took it earlier than I did, but a bit of a late arrival to my portfolio. Still above 30% though. What else is working today? JLP's ticking up there. It's a green day in the portfolio. 2 down over 1%. Let me just quickly have a look in the metal stocks. Yeah, we've got a bit of green in there today, and I'll quickly just have a look what's happening in the cable. We can jump over to last night's US dollar, kind of ticking in here. Yes, it might bumble around and make a higher high. We have no clue. We're not trying to sort of guess where a reversal could be. We're just following on with what the trend is doing. And so far, commodities up, dollar down. Moving on from that, I'm just going to rip straight into the volume leaders this morning. It's 20 past 10. We should have traded 27% to be an average volume. It's usually a little bit slow on a Fridays and Mondays, so I usually leave it a bit longer, but I've got a lot to do this afternoon, so I'm just going to buzz through these and see what's on volume. VLX just ticking up there. I've taken the liberty of drawing in a base here, potential base on base. Whatever happens, it doesn't matter to me, but so far it's respecting that baseline. It could be through there by next week, who knows. I'm trying to think where I bought VLX as well now. I added to it already, didn't I? So we're seeing a lot of the stocks what hit the screens last night. That tends to be the way it works. Just buzz through these and get into the small caps. JD, yeah, fantastic. So one of the there you go, you got breakout live on the radar this morning. JD dot so JD, when it comes to the whole GTRS, it's pretty high up there. It was in the large cap sort of swing area GTRS. It's probably one of the better ones we've seen in a while. The swing day was this day here, 22nd of the 6th. We saw it in the sort of swing signals that night, and actionable day, ex-dividend, and it goes up. I think it's probably a tiny dividend, and then it gaps. So it looks like read across, doesn't it? But it's probably a broker statement. In fact, I think someone posted it in chat this morning. Broker upgrade, probably. So yeah, whatever, up to the baseline, very fast mover. Hopefully for those who are in that, it breaks out. I'm not in the swing market at the moment. I've taken a few months off while I'm trying to get a van converted, so I can take this take these screening sessions to the coast midweek. That's my project on the go. And having a water leak at the house, put a little that on a back burner for a couple of weeks. Let's buzz through these. See what's on volume today. 1 second, my phone's making a funny beeping noise. XPD there. 9% reaction on the open that. remember how these things play out. People who chase the RNS statements, they tend to create a spike in the first sort of before the range posts, and it usually drifts back in and offers a better opportunity. This one's holding up pretty well. It's not an actionable buy for me. I'm already in it, you know, and I've already added to it as well. So trade the signal, not the earnings report. That's what I would say will instantly improve your reward to risk. Instantly, I will add. But drum home there. Yeah, so there's, you know, some interesting action going on in these. If you we covered them in detail last night. If anyone's I'll post this one to the public today. Yes, there was a lot in last night's end of day screens. We saw in my own portfolio, you know, WATR turning up, JLP turning up. Normal retrace on CBOX there. So, a very good day. See how that goes. And I also talked about this one last night. This one's actually moving up. Okay, we'll leave it there.